So in this video, we're going to look at in and not in. In is a very useful operator and saves you having to write and multiple times in a where clause. If we are given a list of emails, for example, and want to show all customers or employees in that list, it would be easier to use the in operator and put the emails in brackets, with each one separated with a comma. Not in will do the opposite, and it will show all emails which aren't in the 3 emails which we are provided with here, for example. You'll also notice I use the upper operator here as well, since we want to ensure we are matching the condition regardless of the character case. So let's have a look at this in MySQL Workbench. So I'm just going to delete our previous query, and now we can just show everything from the employees table. So I'll just do a select star from employees. And you can see here now we have all our employees' email addresses. So let's say we were given a list and we only want to show 3. We can just add in where condition, where email. Actually, I'll just do upper email. In, and then again we just open our brackets, and then we can just put in our 3 email addresses. So I'm just going to paste in the 3 that I had from our slide. So you can click on these brackets and then you'll see where the other bracket starts, and we can also minimize this. But now these need to be in quotation marks. I don't think it's just pasted it properly, so I'll just put these in proper quotations. And you can see the color change whenever it's in quotation marks to represent a string. So now upper email is in the 3 and they're all in uppercase. So if we run that, we're only going to see the 3 employees with these 3 email addresses. And if we just simply change this to not in, it's going to show all the other emails apart from these 3. So it's just very useful if we want to add a filter with multiple values. So, you know, if we wanted not to show these 3 email addresses, we can't just use this operator like we used to, where there's only one condition, because it won't work. You can see it returns an error here. So yeah, it says operand should only contain 1 column. So this is why we have to use not in. Now you can see it's run okay. Would be the same as if I remove this, for example, and I'll remove our commas. Not equal to the first email address, and then we'll have to write and then we just have to paste this 3 times. But it's not ideal. It's much better to use not in. Like, you know, the query is much smaller, so you can see the benefit of not in. Okay, so that is it for in and not in for now. And in the next video, we will look at distinct, like, and order by.